15 Best Altcoins to Buy in December 2022 and 2023. Disclaimer: the Industry Talk section features insights by crypto industry players and is not a part of the editorial content of CryptoNews.com. Although Bitcoin is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency on the planet, oftentimes figuring out the best altcoins to buy can yield superior returns. Throughout this article, we'll be taking a look at the 15 best altcoins to buy, exploring what an altcoin is and why they make good investments, as well as outlining exactly how altcoins can be purchased. Let's get started. Best altcoins to buy in 2022 and 2023. Below, we've rounded up some of the best altcoins to buy right now and provided a short description of each. In the following section, we dive deeper into the specifics, providing a mini review of all 15 assets. FightOut, overall best new altcoin with ambitious M2E plans. Touted, crypto analytics and signals protocol in final presale stage. StageRobotEra, P2E and Metaverse altcoin in newly launched crypto PresaleIMPT, top altcoin offering rewards for carbon footprint reduction. ReductionCalvaria, play to earn game enabling scalability, high bandwidth and low FeesOryen network. Passive income, safety, AutonomyTamadoge, meme coin pumping since listing on ExchangesBattle Infinity, fantasy sports and P2E gaming ecosystem with DeFi ElementsLucky block, fair and efficient NFT competition. PlatformEthereum, largest altcoin and originator of smart contracts. ContractsChainlink, popular project Brining off-chain data on On-ChainXRP, transactional cryptocurrency touted as being the future of currency. ExchangesBNB, cryptocurrency powering the Binance ecosystem. The Sandbox, Metaverse world with a plethora of creator. ToolsQuant, project focused on facilitating interoperability between blockchains. Buy best new altcoin. Top altcoins to invest in reviewed. Looking for the best altcoins to research before the next altcoin season? Now that we have an understanding of each project and its offerings, let's dive into the reviews. 1. FightOut, overall best new altcoin with ambitious M2E plans. FightOut is our top pick for the best altcoin as a new high-potential crypto presale project that has already raised nearly $2 million in just 72 hours. The FGHT token, currently on sale for $0.016, underpins the FightOut fitness app and the project's ambitious plans to build real-world, Web3 integrated gyms around the world. The presale is hoping to raise a total of $100 million and the project has already broke down what those costs will cover: -70% to venue acquisition and refurbishment, 18% to marketing and partnerships and 12% to product development. FightOut will allocate 60% of the max 10 billion FGHT tokens to the presale, with another 30% for rewards and growth, unlocked over 10 years, and the final 10% for exchange liquidity. Investors are so interested in the altcoin project because of its real-world utility and its plans to revolutionize the move to earn space and become the best M2E crypto project. While other leading M2E projects, such as STEPN, have concentrated on steps and have been criticized for their flawed reward system, FightOut will build a full digital fitness profile using smart technology that tracks movement and key effort indicators. Sleep patterns and nutrition can also be built into the algorithm, which then offers users a tailored and unique workout program. Furthermore, FightOut doesn't just concentrate on strength and cardio training but also wellness and mental health, with workouts able to be completed at home or any gym. Users get rewards for completing workouts and upgrading their digital self, which comes as a soulbound, meaning they cannot be bought or sold, NFT avatar that are fully customizable. FightOut users can also test themselves against others in daily, weekly and monthly challenges to earn more rewards. While the FGHT token underpins the project, FightOut will reward fitness fanatics with reps, an in-app currency that can be redeemed for gym membership discounts, personal training sessions, equipment, apparel and supplements. The project's founders are doxed and come with a background in combat sports and fitness app development. They are already scouting their first real-world gym location and are also in talks with world-level athletes from boxing, MMA and pro wrestling to come on board as ambassadors. The ambassadors will not only help boost FightOut's profile, but also provide unique content such as behind-the-scenes footage and masterclass-style training sessions. Read the FightOut white paper for more information and join the Telegram group for the latest news. 2. Touted, crypto analytics and signals protocol in final presale stage. The D2T native token developed by Touted is required to access its innovative crypto signals platform and other features and is our next top pick for the best new altcoin to buy now. Crypto presales provide clues about the coin's trajectory and D2T's presale raised $400,000 in under 24 hours on its opening day, and has now raised more than $9.75 million to reach its final presale stage. In the wake of the FTX disaster, and the chaos it caused, Toutet's development team have decided to cut the presale short and bring the game-changing protocol to the market sooner than first anticipated. Having originally planned to run 9 pre-sale phases and sell 665 million tokens, the pre-sale will now only run for 4 phases with 262.5 million tokens available. Furthermore, with the pre-sale being met with such excitement, 195 million of those tokens are already sold. That means that there is only limited time for investors to secure D2T tokens at the low price of $0.0533 in the final pre-sale stage, with experts expecting a pump once it hits exchanges. Purchases have sharply increased since the news was announced, with investors keen to secure tokens before it's too late. The -2 Trade whitepaper states that investors need to own D2T tokens to receive buy and sell signals. Token ownership is required for subscriptions, entitling investors to acquire market insight about sentiment for assets on social media. These market trends can dictate asset prices, so -2 Trade subscribers receive the latest information first. D2T is a top long-term crypto enabling subscribers to enter trading competitions and use advanced crypto tools to backtest their trading strategies. Investors will also receive alerts about altcoins listed on new exchanges. That could be the trigger for massive price action. One of the main features of -2 Trade is the Dash Score, a bespoke crypto pre-sale rating system that will help users avoid scam projects and invest in the best new coins with total confidence. The best part about the service is that -2 Trade manually reviews the pre-sale projects and scores them according to the utility, tokenomics of the token and the adequacy of the audit and more, giving them a score out of 100. -2 Trade provides alerts when new coins are to be added on major exchanges, to best position themselves ahead of pumps. There are also a range of professional-grade tools, indicators and metrics to help investors and traders maximize their profit-making potential. Day traders don't have to worry about sales tax implications since D2T is an ERC20 token enabling investors to choose free, starter, and premier tier subscriptions. Traders can select between starter and premier tier subscriptions. Free, limited access to features and data. Starter provides access to on-chain data, insights into pre-sale launches, automated trading tools, backtesting platform, and members-only Discord access. The starter subscription costs 400 D2T per month. Premium traders can access all the features. That includes trading competitions, whale wallet alerts and crypto trading insights, to name a few. The premium subscription costs 1000 D2T per month. Traders can incorporate independent technical indicators or customize their auto trading API. They can gain insight into market psychology by using Risk Profiler to determine strategies best suited for their goals. Investors receive the latest updates by subscribing to the -2 Trade Telegram channel. To avoid paying higher prices, investors should get in on the pre-sale now. Buy D2T tokens 3. RoboTera, P2E and Metaverse altcoin in newly launched crypto pre-sale. Taro is an exciting new altcoin that launched in November 2022 as the native token of play-to-earn project RoboTera. Investors seeking an appreciating asset that provides rewards in several methods will want to bag this crypto immediately. RoboTera is set on Taro Planet, which was destroyed after a cataclysmic event, with players helping to rebuild it through the purchasing and upgrading of NFT robots and metaverse plots of land. The game offers various avenues to earn Taro tokens as rewards, making the project one of the best NFT games to hit the market this year. Players are rewarded with tokens for cultivating sacred trees, mining minerals and operating independent continents, and another way to earn more tokens is by staking. Taro RoboTera, which is an Albank Labs project, provides in-game tools for players to build, customize and upgrade NFT robot companions, which can then be sold on the open market. On Metaverse land, players can create and build infrastructure and buildings, which are also sellable, developing their plots over time to become more valuable themselves. Another way to earn tokens is by using this multiverse ecosystem to connect to other worlds and communities. Players can monetize their land by renting billboard space to brands for advertising or selling it for a profit when it appreciates. RoboTera players will not need any coding knowledge, with 3D scenes, user interaction, physics and sounds all able to be added. Further, players can build venues like concert halls and museums and charge admission to other players. The developers anticipate that new use cases and utility will emerge over time, with players operating with few limitations to make the world their own. Taro tokens trump other P2E tokens because of the variety of ways to earn rewards, as outlined above. RoboTera, which has now secured more than $550,000 of investment, is offering investors the chance to own this top altcoin at the best price possible. Taro tokens are available for 2 cents each during the first stage of the pre-sale, but by the end of it they will have appreciated by 60% to $0.032. The RoboTera whitepaper states that only 270 million tokens are available for the pre-sale, which is 15% of the total supply. Investors can bag this altcoin now before it potentially explodes during its exchange listing. Investors can subscribe to the Telegram channel to stay updated with the coin's developments. Buy $Taro tokens now for IMPT, top altcoin offering rewards for carbon footprint reduction. IMPT is a newly listed project that just ended an extremely exciting crypto pre-sale, with the unique project raising more than $20 million. Investors flocked to buy up the IMPT token not only because of the project's real-world utility, but because of its IEO on December 14, 2022, with analysts predicting the token to pump in the coming days and weeks. Now listed on Uniswap and Nubank, further listings on other exchanges, including Changelly Pro, have been confirmed, although the dates have not yet been revealed. Unlike many new crypto projects that fall by the wayside because of limited use cases, IMPT is planning to help solve an urgent crisis, climate change. It will do that by rewarding users with IMPT tokens when they shop. The tokens can then be converted to carbon credits, which are used to offset the carbon footprint of both individuals and businesses that sign up. The credits will fund vetted and approved conservation and ecological projects committed to fighting climate change. IMPT has already partnered with more than 10,000 retail firms and brands, some of them globally recognizable brands such as Nike, Dyson, Domino's Pizza and Amazon. The credits can not only be acquired through shopping but can also be bought, sold, and held, and will have inherent value in themselves. Users can also choose to retire their credits, in exchange for unique, and tradable, NFTs. The voluntary carbon market is expected to grow from $2 billion annually to $50 to $100 billion by 2030, according to a Bloomberg estimate. For more information on this hottest crypto to buy, IMPT tokens, carbon credits and the tokenomics of the project, read the IMPT white paper and join the Telegram group. Visit IMPT5. Calvaria, play-to-earn game enabling scalability, high bandwidth, and low fees. Calvaria is one of the few play-to-earn games that offers two native altcoins, a governance token and a reward coin. RIA tokens were developed to ensure that the ecosystem has economic stability and that players are rewarded for victory and participation. The pre-sale is now in its final stage before IEO, having sold more than $2.45 million of tokens in a short time since launch. This card game requires players to purchase NFT deck of cards with the area tokens. Players that have cards with the same strength can combine them and use area tokens to buy higher level cards. Calvaria rewards players who won competitions and are highly active in the game with area tokens. The RIA token is for governance, in-game purchases, staking and voting. RIA holders ensure that the ecosystem functions without problems, and they have voting rights to determine the key issues regarding the future of the platform. Calvaria weighs voting rights according to the number of tokens an investor holds. One of the key aspects that make this collectible card game so alluring is that investors have various ways of earning rewards. Staking is integral to the running of this ecosystem. According to the Calvaria white paper, investors can lock in their RIA tokens while receiving daily rewards. More information about both of the coins is available on the Calvaria Telegram channel. RIA tokens are currently in a crypto pre-sale, with the token already into stage 4 after huge early investment. Each stage of the pre-sale saw the token increase in price, with tokens currently on sale for $0.0325, a 225% increase from stage 1. It has not yet been announced when Calvaria will hold its IEO, but the project already has partnerships with leading exchanges KuCoin and Gate.io. Calvaria pre-sale overview: total supply, 1 billion RIA pre-sale, 150 million RIA highly active players who regularly buy collectible NFTs to advance in the game, or traders wanting to be part of the pre-sale don't have to worry about sales tax. Both coins have 0% sales tax. Buy RIA tokens now. 6. Originator network, passive income, safety, autonomy. Originator network is blasting onto the scene with a fresh new take on staking. The word passive income has been bandied around by too many protocols without the features to actually provide this to people. Passive income requires price support, attractive but sensible APY, and a way to self-sustain. The Originator network team has managed to hit the proverbial nail on the head with their sustainable asset growth system. The APY on offer is a solid fixed 90%, meaning impressive gains that can be sustained with a well-designed economic model. The simple yet efficient system utilizes two forms of treasury. One is known as a risk-free value, RFV, wallet. This wallet address will accumulate value through trading fees that will be kept in low volatility assets, such as stable coins. If any price volatility impacts the ORI token, this capital can be deployed for stabilization. Another wallet, known as the Originator Treasury, is used for development, maintenance, and as a secondary backup to the RFV, creating a double-walled line of defense. The real kicker is where the autonomy of the project comes in. There are no staking contracts or custody requirements to receive the staking rewards. The contract itself calculates the correct distribution for each holder and delivers the rebase directly to holder wallets. Investors can keep control over their own tokens at all times and still receive these rewards, creating a safe, autonomous income to expand asset value over time. Altcoins have always delivered higher returns historically than buying Bitcoin. With Bitcoin having only a singular use, storage, and transfer of wealth, altcoins have retained a large portion of the total crypto market cap throughout the bearish market. The features StageRobotEra network offers are sound enough to attract a lot of attention and show that Ori is truly one of the best altcoins to buy right now. To learn more about StageRobotEra, check out the website, and to stay up to date with the latest developments, join the StageRobotEra Telegram. Visit StageRobotEra Network 7. Tamadoge, meme coin pumping since listing on exchanges. Tamadoge, TAMA, is a utility-first altcoin that blends meme coins, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, play-to-earn, P2E, gaming, and the Metaverse in order to create a highly engaging ecosystem that has proven to resonate well with both investors and players alike. While the project is still young, it's already shaping up to be one of the best altcoins to invest in 2022. Despite general bear market conditions, Tamadoge sold out its presale in less than 8 weeks to raise $19 million, making it one of this year's best presales and pumped after its initial exchange offering, IEO, on OKX. The price reached an all-time high of $0.194, almost 2,000% above its early presale price, and looks set to break out in the coming weeks and months. The Tamadoge ecosystem is based around a metaverse world named the Tamaverse. Within this virtual universe, players can explore and meet each other, helping to build a strong community. There are plans to implement support for virtual reality headsets to make this an even more immersive experience. Additionally, within the Tamaverse, players can raise NFT-based pets, each being 3D animated and boasting a unique design. By utilizing NFT technology, the team has made it possible for pets to be upgraded using items from the Tamadoge store. Each time a player levels up their pet, they will receive Doge points, improve their leaderboard ranking, and earn a larger amount of rewards. The ultra-rare NFT collection became the top trending set on OpenSea after raising 250 ETH in the first 24 hours of the auction. The token has also consistently been in the top 5 largest meme coins since, and with more exchange listings in the pipeline, is expected to see huge gains again. The latest listing, from November 10th, is on Gate.io, the 5th largest exchange by trading volume. Follow the Tamadoge Telegram and Twitter page to hear about the next listing early. Buy Tama on OKX. Buy Tama on OKX Dex 8. Battle Infinity, fantasy sports and P2E gaming ecosystem with DeFi elements. Next on our list of the best altcoins for 2022 is Battle Infinity, IBAT, a project aiming to merge sports, DeFi, and P2E gaming in order to create a next-generation crypto-infused gaming platform. Battle Infinity offers investors a huge amount of utility. As such, to keep things intuitive and easy to use, it's broken into different platforms, each hosting a core feature. There is a fantasy sports league, a collection of player versus player P2E games, a metaverse arena, an NFT marketplace, a decentralized exchange, and even an inbuilt staking platform. The project has been performing well since its release. During its pre-sale stage, Battle Infinity managed to raise more than 16,500 BNB in just 25 days. Following its first listing on PancakeSwap, the token exploded, rising by more than 300% from its pre-sale price, cementing its status as both one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency projects and one of the best altcoins, with the highest potential on the market. With the IBAT token utilizing the BIP20 standard, it benefits from an adjustable tax, low fees, and fast transactions. This should enable the project to facilitate listings on large exchanges like Gate.io and Binance, which would help to increase demand for IBAT massively. Battle Infinity has been consistently making headlines over the past couple of months as one of the top altcoins for 2022 due to it providing early investors with phenomenal returns and showing strength at a time when the market has been in a continuous downtrend. Join the IBAT Telegram to learn more. Visit Battle Infinity today. 9. Lucky Block, fair and efficient NFT competition platform. Another of this year's top altcoins is Lucky Block, LBlock, the world's top NFT competition platform. The project has been making waves in the industry since it was released near the start of the year, and with the Lucky Block team constantly working to improve the project, it's gearing up to be one of the best altcoins for 2022. Lucky Block has utilized blockchain technology in order to create a fair competitions platform. Each drawing can be entered using an entry ticket style NFT which can be purchased from NFT Launchpad. In order to offer a range of competitions appealing to all budgets, the entry cost for each prize will vary depending on the potential jackpot. In late July, Lucky Block transitioned to Ethereum's ERC standard and reduced tax on transactions to 0. This switch paved the way for Block is be listed on various sexes, with Mex and Gate.io being the most recent. These listings boosted the price of Lucky Block significantly, so it could be worth stocking up on the best new altcoin ahead of the next listing announcement. Visit Lucky Block 10. Ethereum, largest altcoin and originator of smart contracts. Ethereum, ETH, is the king of altcoins. It's the second largest cryptocurrency on the market, beaten only by Bitcoin. Furthermore, Ethereum fathered the ERC standard used by many of today's best altcoins to watch. But is Ethereum a good investment right now? Many investors consider Ethereum to be the best crypto to buy at the moment, and for good reason. The project has consistently proven itself able to weather any bear market while still providing the same great service to its users. A large portion of the most popular altcoins utilize the ERC standard, and with the upcoming Ethereum update expected to improve throughput, this is unlikely to change anytime soon. With the amount of value the project offers, Ethereum is one of the best altcoins to buy and a worthy addition to any well-diversified portfolio. The upcoming merge is expected to increase demand substantially, so it'll be interesting to see where the price of ETH ends up. Buy ETH on eToro 11. Chainlink, popular project brining off-chain data on-chain. Chainlink, LINK, is packed full of intrinsic value and is one of the most popular altcoins currently available. The project's core value proposition is the ability to implement off-chain data sources into on-chain applications, something that has drastically increased the functionality of Web3 projects as well as other cryptocurrencies. Few of even the best altcoins to watch can compete with Chainlink in terms of industry partnerships. Due to the nature of the project, it's in the interest of other cryptocurrencies to join Chainlink in order to improve their own offerings. This has resulted in Chainlink's technology being incorporated in a range of high-profile projects like Aave. Overall, Chainlink is one of the best altcoins to buy right now. Even during the current market downturn, it has remained strong, and as it uses the ERC standard, the upcoming Ethereum merge will likely award Link a slight boost in value. Buy Link on eToro 12. XRP, transactional cryptocurrency touted as being the future of currency exchanges. XRP is a transactional cryptocurrency that many investors believe could be the future of banking. The token was created by David Schwartz as a more cost and energy efficient alternative to Bitcoin, with Ripple Labs being created soon thereafter in order to create use cases for XRP. While Ripple and XRP are currently in the midst of a lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, regarding the unlicensed selling of securities, many speculate that XRP could explode following the suit's conclusion. Like Chainlink, XRP has a huge number of partnerships with financial institutions and banks, including the Bank of America, MoneyGram, and American Express. Being launched in 2012, XRP cannot be counted alongside new altcoins, but it remains one of the best altcoins to buy. While the value of XRP is currently being stifled by the ongoing legal issues, once things are cleared up, it'll be intriguing to find out which of its partners will begin using the token to improve their services. Buy XRP on eToro 13. BNB, cryptocurrency powering the Binance ecosystem. BNB, sometimes referred to as Build and Build, is the proprietary token of the world's largest exchange, by volume, Binance. Despite originally launching as a rather basic blockchain, designed primarily to reduce fees on the Binance exchange, BNB has since expanded into the smart contract sector and is commonly used to power new altcoins like Battle Infinity. The value of BNB absolutely exploded in early 2021 as investors everywhere were looking for the next project to rival Ethereum, and with the BIP standard based on ERC, it was a clear contender. The release of the Binance Smart Chain also created immense demand for BNB as it's used to fuel all transactions on the network. The majority of BNB price predictions suggest that this utility token could reach an ATH of $2,000 by the end of 2030. All in all, BNB is one of the best crypto to buy Reddit and still offers massive upside potential. The Binance Smart Chain, BSC, ecosystem is only growing as a result of its low costs and similarities with the ERC standard, making it one of the top new altcoins to invest in this year. Buy BNB on eToro 14. The Sandbox, Metaverse world with a plethora of creator tools. The Sandbox, SAND, is perhaps the best new altcoin in the Metaverse sector. Alongside Decentraland, the Sandbox is one of the largest virtual worlds, metaverses, in the cryptosphere and has become a favorite among both those infatuated with the technology and companies looking to expand their horizons into the digital realm. With the metaverse being one of the most rapidly growing sectors in technology, the Sandbox is one of the top new cryptocurrency projects to get involved with. It provides users with a plethora of ways to monetize NFT-based plots of land, with some entrepreneurial players creating entire P2E games and crypto casinos from within the Sandbox. Few sectors are picking up traction as rapidly as the metaverse, so there's no telling just how high the Sandbox could be pushed over the coming months. With companies like Facebook rebranding with the metaverse in mind, It seems likely that it'll be a big part of the future, meaning Metaverse-centric projects could end up being the best altcoins to buy for growth. By Sand on eToro 15. Quant, project focused on facilitating interoperability between blockchains. Since the birth of altcoins, making projects created on different networks interact with one another has been a challenge, to say the least. This issue is what gave rise to the standardization of crypto architecture through things like Ethereum's ERC standard. However, Quant, QNT, aims to solve this issue through the creation of a blockchain operating system called Overledger. This technology is designed to allow blockchains to interact with one another and to make it easier for developers to create multi-chain applications. To use Overledger, Quant requires an individual or organization or hold a certain amount of QNT, making demand incredibly fierce. Many investors believe that for cryptocurrency to enjoy mainstream adoption, the issues with interoperability first need to be resolved. With Quant being one of the strongest contenders within the sector, it's up there with the best altcoins with the highest potential. By QNT on eToro. What is an altcoin? Altcoins are made up of a broad spectrum of projects and are not limited by category, consensus mechanism, or intended use. Altcoin simply means alternative coin. As such, any alternative to Bitcoin can be considered an altcoin. In practice, this means that every cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin is classed as an altcoin. Can altcoins make for a good investment? With altcoins being made up of such a large variety of projects, some will make for good investments while others will slowly fade into obscurity. Below, we've shared a few reasons why altcoins can make an excellent addition to a well-balanced portfolio. Technology. One of the most interesting aspects of altcoins is the technology they possess. With cryptocurrency already being an emerging technology, altcoins can provide access to subsectors like decentralized finance, the Metaverse, and P2E, gaming. The best altcoins to buy will typically feature new and exciting features, making them an excellent way to get to the forefront of technology. Dash2 Trade, for example, is a new crypto signals and analytics platform that aims to help traders and investors maximize profits, while IMPT is hoping to help ease the climate crisis by making carbon credits into NFTs. By doing that, individuals and businesses can increase their carbon offsetting efforts. Diversification. As we mentioned, there is a massive variety of different altcoins available, and as such, they can make for an excellent diversification tool. With altcoins spanning every sector within cryptocurrency, regardless of how a portfolio is composed, there will be an altcoin able to reduce an investor's exposure to a specific sector, effectively reducing risk. Room for growth. While Bitcoin is regarded as being a safer, blue-chip crypto, its larger size means it's more difficult for the price to move substantially in either direction. However, altcoins will have lower market caps, meaning that less demand is required for them to be pushed upward or downward. As such, altcoins can make for excellent growth vehicles, provided the proper due diligence is done prior to investing. How to choose the best altcoins to buy. With there being so many different altcoins on the market, an investor needs to narrow down their search criteria to find worthwhile projects. Sometimes you need more than just the best crypto signals to know which crypto project is worth investing in. We'll be sharing a few quick tips to help find the best altcoins to buy. White paper. One of the most effective techniques to weed out lackluster projects is thoroughly reviewing a project's white paper. The best altcoins to buy will always feature a well-written white paper that clearly explains exactly what the project does as well as its plans for the future. If a cryptocurrency makes a lot of promises without explaining how they will be achieved, it's best avoided. Social media. Taking a look at social media can be a great way to determine how investors feel about a project and whether it has a strong community. While stats like followers can be easily purchased online, it's much harder to fake an active community consistently commenting and sharing, so these are both factors to look out for when trying to find the best altcoins for 2022. Utility. While it's possible for some projects to perform well and offer great returns through hype alone, it'll never be conducive to long-term growth. Instead, it's better to look out for utility-focused projects that provide a useful service or product. These altcoins will always have a demand regardless of hype or the market, making them far safer long-term investments. How to buy the best altcoin. FightOut. To ensure that no investor is left unable to buy the best altcoin, we've detailed exactly how to buy FGHT tokens below. Step 1. Download MetaMask or other crypto wallet. Step 2. Buy USDT/ETH using eToro or Transact. Step 3. Convert USDT/ETH to FGHT after clicking Connect Wallet on FightOut website. Step 4. Select lockup time for tokens, longer period returns larger bonuses. Step 5. Claim FGHT tokens when the presale ends. Buy FGHT tokens now. Where to buy other altcoins. While FightOut is the best new altcoin and an excellent all-around project, some investors will want to purchase another token from our list. To do this, they will require a top-of-the-line broker. eToro. Buy the top altcoins with just 1% commission. eToro was founded in 2007 and has since grown to become a leading broker for cryptocurrency and stocks thanks to its fantastic feature set. The broker is regulated by leading Tier 1 bodies including the FCA, ASIC, and SEC. With security always a large area of concern for crypto investors, it's crucial for a broker to protect its clients. eToro secures personal details before they're sent to the server by using SSL encryption, but that's not all. The majority of client funds are stored offline and untouchable in cold storage, preventing the risk of clients losing funds due to eToro getting compromised. While eToro is great for those employing a buy and hold strategy, it's also a great broker for traders. It provides its users with a range of charting tools, useful when it comes to determining key price points and figuring out when to enter a trade. Furthermore, eToro allows users to set both limit and market orders, allowing users to fine-tune their entry points. In addition to investing and manually trading, eToro supports social trading. This allows users to choose a trader they like and automatically mirror their trades, excellent for beginners trying to earn a profit or learn strategy. Overall, eToro is an excellent platform for both beginners and more experienced investors. It offers a wide range of tools and through its various platforms, a great deal of customizability. As such, eToro is the #1 broker for investors looking to stock up on altcoins. Buy crypto on eToro. Crypto assets are highly volatile and unregulated. No consumer protection. Tax on profits may apply. Conclusion. We've taken a look at some of the best altcoins to buy, discussed the benefits of altcoins, and explained how to choose the find altcoins with the highest potential. However, throughout our research, we determined that 2 particular projects boast the most potential. FightOut is a newly launched crypto presale project that has already secured nearly $2 million of funding in just 72 hours, with investors excited by its potential and ambitious future plans. The Move to Earn project is developing a market-leading fitness app and will also build real-world gyms with integrated Web3 features. Another top project is crypto intelligence and analytics platform Touted, which is now in the final stage of its presale. Buy FGHT tokens now. Latest altcoin news. If this is a Netscape moment for Web3, what does that mean for Ethereum? UK. Financial regulator issues warning against FTX crypto ExchangesTamadoge presale hits $19 million hard cap despite Bitcoin price drop. FAQs. What is an altcoin? Put simply, an altcoin is an alternative cryptocurrency to Bitcoin. As such, the vast majority of cryptos can be considered altcoins, with the term transcending category or intended purpose. What is the #1 altcoin to buy now? While there is a huge number of altcoins available for purchase, FightOut presents by far the most upside potential. The FGHT token has a strong real-world use case and is enjoying huge early success in its presale. Which altcoins have the most room for growth? While each of the projects we've reviewed has plenty of room for an upside move, recently released projects FightOut, Touted, RoboTera and Calvaria are all in their presale phase and have not reached the wider market yet. Presale projects offer low entry prices and greater potential for growth. How many different altcoins are available? It's impossible to provide an exact number of available altcoins as new crypto projects are released daily. Currently, there are over 2,000 altcoins on the market, with this figure continually growing. How can I invest in altcoins? There is a plethora of ways to invest in altcoins. The best altcoin to buy, FGHT, is now on presale, whereas other altcoins can be easily bought using regulated broker eToro. What is the top new altcoin? Out of all the altcoins available to invest in right now, FGHT presents the best opportunity. However, D2T, RoboTera, IMPT and Calvaria are also both excellent picks. Are altcoins worth buying? As there are so many different altcoins, some will be worth buying while others are best avoided. However, each of the projects we've reviewed has solid fundamentals and could make for a great investment.